Hello friends, today we are making rum balls because the Christmas and New Year Eve is around the corner. So let's make and add some booze in your treats, festive treats. So for that we have taken a bowl, take a big bowl and add some chocolate sponge cake. Let's begin. So I have taken 10 to 12 digestive biscuits also, so that it will add a little body in the balls, rum balls. So add 150 grams of dark chocolate also we have taken, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This will give a nice taste. And of course our star ingredient, rum, 50 ml of rum. You can increase or decrease as per your choice. So let's begin. Let's pour the rum in a shot glass for further use. So crush the biscuits and melt the dark chocolate. First we have to cut down in small pieces. Add a tablespoon of butter into the chocolate, and we are going to melt this all together. You have to melt in microwave, or you can use double boiler method also. Both are fine. So now crumble the cake first nicely, so that nice crumbs are there. And now we are going to add crushed digestive biscuits. You can use any kind of biscuits which you like. So add around 10 to 12 biscuits crushed, and now add cocoa powder in it. This is 2 tablespoons, and again we are going to mix it well, so that all the ingredients mix properly. So what recipes would you like to have on your Christmas as your Christmas treat or New Year treats? Let me know in the comment section, and I will help you to make them very easily, just like this recipe. So now add our star ingredient, rum. You could use whiskey also, you can use wine also, but rum goes really well with this, and I am using Old Monk. You can use any kind of rum which you like. So again mix it. I am adding little more, so to get nice boozy amazing flavor. So now melted chocolate, I am adding this little by little, and then I am going to mix it nicely. Chocolate tastes really amazing with rum, and it acts like a binding agent in our rum balls. It will firm up the rum balls, so it's amazing. So don't skip to use this melted chocolate. I'm using compound. You can use virtual chocolate also. So now take a butter paper or parchment paper on a tray, so that our rum balls don't stick on the tray. Make small bite-sized balls of cake mix and put it on the parchment paper or the butter paper, and let them dry for a little time, maybe half an hour. If you are living in a cold areas, then it will be little dry in half an hour, and if you are living in a warm weather conditions, you can put them in refrigerator for around half an hour. That will be fine. So prepare all the rum balls using this cake mix, and as you can see, one bottle is there which is transformed into a craft art piece. So let's see what this bottle is going to be transformed into. So wait for that also. So make all the balls using your hands. So this is amazing. And then we are going to let's dry it for some time. Let them dry for half an hour. And now take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a bowl and coat every rum ball into dry cocoa powder, so it will give a nice texture to your cake balls, and it will the shelf life of the balls increases. So coat all of them. And if you like my videos, like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications from my channel. Our rum balls are ready. Enjoy your Christmas, enjoy your New Year, and Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas to all of you. Please support me as you are doing, like always. Thanks for joining me, and let's meet in the next video with next recipe. Till then, bye bye.